Umentri rangba ke Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ulapentip ba ki jingïakren ba ke Union Ministry of Home Affairs halor ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA kedang ya chakmat hakalenti ke batay. Bar ke bapin mi jingkermen habakran chiklat pathai khobor Conrad ulong bah ke jingne jing udang shen New Delhi ma u bersembut Menteri rangba u Preston Tinsong kilayo ban nyakren benya ban u Union Home Secretary halor ki benta ba pher jong MRSSA. Ula pentip o Chief Secretary lemmer ki officer jong not Home Police but political kelapelong ru bunsin ki jingïakren ber ki he officer jong ka Union Home Ministry. Ka Ministry of Home Affairs ber ka Sorkar India ki dun ka jingmut ka babha halor kane bun ki mat ki ba jingkermen kilami na ka jingïakren jangi. Laong umentri rangba. U Conrad ula pentip asyen u Chief Secretary but u Commissioner and Secretary not political kan sa pelong biang ye ka jingyalang berki officer ka Union Home Ministry ban penya chakmat ye kani ka kam. Henry ula kentai ben pen pau pat ba ya baro ki mar ki brang ikran na mar ki don bun ki benta ba khambnya ki brang don kam ye ka jingya slok ba jingya tai sani ha ka kedan ki officer. Kan omlong ka bade yang ban pen pau ya baro ki benta kat ba ompat la ban pen kut ki jingyakren Henry ngala ban ong ba ki jingyakren kilong ki ba bha ban ngidon ka jingkermen bangin la ban penya ya ka MRSSA shakmat ha kalenti ka bade la ong u Conrad.
In my last visit to Delhi, we had a very detailed meeting with the Home Secretary. And just to share with you, the Chief Secretary as well as Commissioner Secretary, Home Police and Political, they have had meetings, different rounds of levels of meeting with Home Secretary on the all detailed aspects of the MRSSA. We have been moving in the positive direction and right direction. As you're aware, these are matter of details, and therefore it requires a lot of consultation, a lot of discussion at the official level. But in our last meeting we had with Home Secretary, we could understand that the Home Ministry, MHA, and Government of India are very positive about it. And in our discussion, a lot of positive points came out. The Chief Secretary and Commissioner Secretary Political will be having a meeting very soon again. We're very hopeful that we'll be able to take it forward in the right direction. But as I said, till things don't happen, it will be not correct for me to disclose all the aspects of things and what are the issues that are there. But I can only tell you that, as I said, discussions were very positive, and Deputy CM and myself had a very long discussion with Home Secretary, and we're very hopeful that it will move in the right direction.